Today I am going to teach you how to divide multiples of 10, 100, and 1000 by single-digit numbers. So to begin, we are going to start with dividing 9 by 3. The way you can think of this is in unit form. So 9 ones divided by 3. So I can draw my 9 ones and then I can divide them into my 3 groups. 1, 2, 3. So I know that 9 ones divided by 3 equals 3. Another way you could do this is if you just know your fact. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. So moving on to 90 divided by 3. Well, I can write it in unit form. 9 tens divided by 3. And again, if you know your fact, then you would know that your answer would be 3, and then go back to your unit, 3 tens. And 3 tens is the same as 30. If you need to use your place value chart, this is how you would do it on your place value chart. Draw your 9 tens, and then divide it into your 3 groups. And then when you look at your groups, you know that one group has 3 tens, which is 10, 20, 30. 3 tens is equal to 30. And you can continue working through larger numbers, as in hundreds and thousands, using the same method. I will skip to thousands. You can think as 9 thousands divided by 3 in unit form, so 9 thousands divided by 3. And I know if 9 divided by 3 equals 3, 9 thousands divided by 3 is going to equal 3 thousands, which is equal to 3,000. Now, if I move to a number that has digits other than 0 in more than one place, so for example 350 divided by 5, again I can think of this in unit form. I'm going to first draw it out on my chart to represent the number. So 1, 2, 300, 5 tens, and 0 ones. Now, I know I can't divide these 300s into 5 groups, so I know I can automatically move them into my tens place, and I know that each of these will become a 10. So I will have a group of 10, another group of 10, and another 10. So I have 10, 20, 35 tens. So I can write this in unit form. 35 tens divided by 5 equals what? Now, instead of distributing each of these into a group, into 5 groups, which can take a lot of time, I can think about my facts. Do I know what 35 divided by 5 is? If I do, and I know it's 7, I can write 7, but I need to make sure I use my unit. So 7 tens, since my 35 discs are in my 10 spot. 7 tens, which is another way of saying 70. So I can use my known facts to divide larger numbers that go into hundreds and thousands.